Mae dau fragwr o bowys sydd wedi derbyn cefnogaeth gan y rhaglen Cywain wedi cydweithio a chydrannu gwybodaeth i annog twf yn eu busnesau, ac yn gweithio budd ei economi leol. Dyma gipolwg ar siwrne fusnes Antur Brew Co a Sobremesa.
So I'm Lars van Dijk from Antur Brew Co in Krakow. We've been established since 2021. So when we first established, I contacted Business Wales at the very beginning, and they put me into contact with Cywain. From the very beginning, they helped us with all our branding work. One-to-one tuition was amazing. We had all contact with licensing, trademarking from the very start. After 2 years, at the point we needed to grow, so we moved down to Krakow, larger premises, upscale production. So we went from 500 litres a week production capacity to 2,500 litres, so 5 times the capacity. Started reaching new markets like trade, customers, pubs, that sort of thing. So we went to the Royal Welsh Show 3 times. So we did the Spring Fair, Summer Fair and Winter Fair with Cywain, which are all fantastic for us both in terms of sales, built branding awareness and everything else. They've been amazing since the beginning and continuing helping us grow as a business.
Mae'r rhaglen Cywain yn agor drysau i rwydwaith o gefnogaeth ac yn aml yn sylfaen i fusnesau gydweithio a rhannu gwybodaeth budd ei siwrne twf.
So I was just setting up Antur Brew Co. I bought our brew kit through a family friend. I had a load of excess stuff through it, so I advertised it on a local brewing group. And then Adrián saw that. They said, you're advertising from this postcode, so emailed and said, no, I'm setting up in the area as well. So I think we went for a beer and stuff. Yeah, so it's quite.
Yeah, because we're similar age, similar sort of hobbies, and doing the same sort of working within the same industry. We were like.
Yeah, I recommended Cywain as well because they were fantastic with me from the start in terms of everything, setting up the branding and just all the one-to-one help was fantastic. So anyone I know who's especially like Adrián, same kind of industry, straight get to Cywain from the beginning, and because they've been a huge help to us.
It's been challenging. I think that's probably the word, like especially coming from places like London where everything there is available. Coming to a bit of middle of nowhere is always like, yeah, this is going to be fun, but at the same time, we're here at Talgas, we feel part of a community, so even in all those challenging situations, like being in a rural location, this is probably not ideal. At the same time, you feel quite welcoming, and part of our business is to feed that local community as well. Well, my name is Adrián. I'm coming from Spain, and I'm the owner and co-founder of Sobremesa Drinks. So we produce farmhouse beers and natural ciders. Sobremesa, it basically is a word that hasn't got translation into English. So it's basically the time that we spend at the table talking with friends and family and eating and drinking more. So it's that moment of enjoyment around food and drink, but also with good company.
Mae Adrián wedi gwneud defnydd o'r cyfleoedd sydd ar gael i busnesau bwyd a diod drwy raglenni Llywodraeth Cymru. Cyfleoedd i ddatblygu brand, gweithio ar farchnata a darganfod llwybrau i farchnadoedd newydd drwy arddangos cynnyrch mewn digwyddiadau prawfasnachu.
Yeah, we also have support from Cywain for webinars, so we were asking for a bit of help to improve our website and e-commerce place. That helped us to develop like a new strategy in terms of online sales. So basically our business model is based on a circular economy loop where we can grow the fruit. We now start using the fruit within the drinks, and then to close the loop, what we do is we try to valorize all the sub-product that we generate. So in this case is the spec grain for our brews through Cywain. We were lucky enough to partner with Craddock's in Brecon to develop these crackers. So basically with this product, we tell the people about circularity and how circularity was. So basically the grain or the apples that we use to produce our drinks, people that come here to the tap room and have maybe some cheese and charcuterie, they're actually eating in all those grains and apples, so people really understand and see how circularity works instead of a linear process.
Mae'r dyfodol yn edrych yn ddisglair i'r bragwyr. Mae nhw wedi sicrhau bod cynaliadwyedd a chydweithio wrth wraidd eu busnesau.
So yeah, since moving to Krakow, obviously it's been fantastic for us. The footfall, everything has been great. They're doing taproom pop-ups constantly. I'm really excited to see what's happening for us in the future.
What we're trying really hard is trying to create basically a destination not only for beer and cider drinkers, also for people that want to enjoy a bit of rural setup with really nice local source drinks, but also food as well.